Hey everybody, Monkey Wrench Mike here. It is a bright, yowza, that sun is killing me here morning in Tulsa, Oklahoma, and we are focusing on one area for the video today on our S55 AMG. We're focusing on wheels, tires, brakes, and fluid, just like that world famous children's song.
Head, shoulders, knees and toes, knees and toes.
Monkey,
Wrench,
Mike.
Mike.
Yay!
I'm in the car.
All right, let me tell you what's going on right now. We had the brake wear indicator in the car. This is the reason why, okay? See how thin your brake pad is there? This is what it's supposed to look like. Yeah, isn't that lovely? Can you tell the difference? Yep, and even the indicator itself, see, came off. There's no little arm sticking down in there, okay? Yep, so we need some brakes. We got the Akabonos. We're gonna do this super easy. This is like the same on a lot of the Mercedes. Don't hate on my tools, okay? Because half of my tools are here, half of my tools are there. Basically, you pop this little pin out, this plate comes out, and you can just take the two brake pads out. We gotta pop the pin out, okay? We don't have a drift or anything like that. I just have some crazy little tools that I'm using temporarily just to get this out because they work great. Okay, and this, oh, look at the dust. Yeah, that's gross. Look at the dust. Okay, that comes out. Hopefully it comes out. Come on out. I know you want to. Let's just go all the way through. A couple more taps. And it gets stuck. This is why you have to use a drill. A bit. Okay, there it is. I hit the camera too. Sorry. My bad. All right, one plate. That comes out. Now, hopefully, we can move the calipers back and forth. So don't hate what I'm doing right now. Please don't look at what I'm doing. I just want to move this. Okay, this moves easy. That's good. Let's see what happens here. You just got to be careful when you're doing it this way. Okay, so they did loosen up. And look. Look how thin. Can you see? Yeah, once again, old, new. Okay. Put a little grease here, in here on the sides, pop this in, and put your pin back in, your plate back in, and you're good to go. All right, so let's see if we can do this very, very quickly. Yep, come on. Yep. This has been in there for a while. This has been in there for many, many whiles. Okay, yuck. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Okay, we're gonna get it cleaned up and we're gonna put it in and we're gonna just kind of say a little prayer that these are still good because this is really gross. And that, ladies and gentlemen, how you change the brake pads on the rear S55 AMG wheels. Isn't that just beautiful? Isn't that just gorgeous? Okay, now, we know the car sat for like a millennium. So what we're gonna do now is replace the brake fluid. Okay, we're gonna go system by system and get her on the road. We're gonna do the brake fluid.
When replacing the brake fluid, one must always take the fluid out of the container first.
That was Julia Child. Okay, see how high this is? That's because I pushed those calipers in. Okay, and I'll show you why I've decided to replace this in just a second. So what we're gonna do, we're going to empty all this old stuff out, okay? Listen. Okay? And we're just going to keep doing this until all the old, and this is stinky old, is gone. Okay? There's something that's broken. Have you picked it up yet? Yeah, have you picked up on it? Yeah, see the little connector right there? Little finger dude, there it is. Yeah, it's right there, okay? Yeah, so, this is not a very good turkey baster. Julia Child would not be approving of this one. This is for battery acid, obviously not for brake fluid. This is gonna take forever. Okay, we'll continue doing this. This is what I'm talking about right here. See, it's broken. It's broken. So I had to get another one from another car. Remember the little trip we took to Oklahoma City? to the LKQ. Yep, I think that's where I got it. I believe so. Yeah, okay, so we're gonna suck all this out. Basically, to remove it, let me show you. Stay right there. Okay, to remove it, here's the replacement. Just like that, okay? There's a little, see? A little bolt goes right through it. It's like a T27 if I remember right. Just goes right through here, holds it all together. So we're gonna replace that with this. And hopefully it's all gonna go well. So we'll be back. All right, well you can tell by all of the brake fluid everywhere. Yeah, you missed the good part. Yeah, getting that out, yeah. I had to jerk it and then I left the top off and brake fluid just like went everywhere. So I had to wipe down what I could and I'll wipe it off the paint and everything else. But we got the power bleeder. Yeah, hello there, Motive Products. Okay, we got the right brake fluid in there. We've got this pumped up to about, I don't know, 10 pounds or so. We may go up a little higher. What this is gonna do is just force the new brake fluid in and the old brake fluid out. So like you've been doing for cars for generations, you start with the right rear, right front, left front. So you go the furthest away from the brake fluid reservoir, okay? And you come to here, see? Now look at this. Isn't this a nice little setup? Hopefully this is gonna go nice and easy, okay? Because I'm just gonna loosen this up. There we go. And hopefully, see, out with the old. There it is. And then in with the new. And when it changes color, I'll be able to tell. Okay, look at that. Okay, so I need to move this down one. Okay, so here we go. Stay there. Here we go. We're gonna put you right there instead. Okay, there we go. Now more will come out, okay? See, look at that, see? See? Now we're just gonna do that for all four until it's nice and clean, and then we'll have new brake fluid. See if it'll change color now. Yeah, here comes all the air. Yeah, when we change the reservoir, lots of air got in the system, so we got to get all the air out. And we're going to wait for that to happen. Keep coming. And once the bubbles stop, we know that we're good. We worked our way up to the front. Yep, front left. Here we go. See the color coming out? That's the new stuff. See the color coming out? Yep, that's the new stuff. Doesn't that look gorgeous? Okay, so what we're going to do is tighten this up, and we should be good to go. Is it still coming out? Just a little bit. Okay, we'll let that drain a little bit more, and then we'll button it all up. We'll just tighten up the valve right there, okay? Brake fluid is working. Okay, we're gonna attach the little thing right there, save the little clip. Yep, get it the right size. We're gonna put it up there. Great, love it, beautiful. Okay, so brake system flushed, working perfectly. Now, let's put on some tires and wheels. And look at that right there. Yep, look at that right there. We have 4 beautiful directional tires, might I add, all thanks to John. So John, Randy's buddy, my new bestie. Yeah, you're helping me build this AMG, and I really, really appreciate it. Look at all the tread. Look at all that tread. Okay, we're gonna put these on the car, and we're gonna shine her up. I think she looks much, much better, don't you? All right, that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I do wanna tell you that I received some very finely handcrafted lug bolts. Yep, these are made by little Chinese people in a little Chinese town, and they cost me just a little bit of American money. So we're gonna put them on instead of those crappy other Torx bit things, whatever those things came from. And then we're gonna focus on all the little things on the AMG. We're gonna go little piece by little piece and have some fun finishing up. We're almost done, believe it or not, we're almost done with this rebuild for the AMG. Got to do the radio though, okay? Yeah, that'll be another video. Yeah, okay. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Over 200 new subscribers in less than 36 hours. Pretty amazing. Yeah, just shows the power of Monkey Wrench Mike. Look at that. Yeah, isn't that beautiful? All right, folks, have a great day. Bye-bye.